everyone. Thank you for tuning in. I am your RJ Megan Fernandez. It is said that a DJ is not merely an artist who mixes two tracks together, but is someone who can transport an entire room filled with people to a state of euphoria, where one forgets all their pain and sorrow and unites dancing on the dance floor like there is no tomorrow. New Sound created a platform to showcase such talented artists who passionately each day played their tribute, showcasing their favorite music producers and labels on niche radio. I am super thrilled to be introducing each artist to you every Saturday and Sunday who will showcase their talent and compete for the New Sound Artist of the Year. Your votes on Facebook page could help them win this title, so ensure you vote. And now, let's meet our New Sound artist.
Hi, I'm Nikhil. My stage name is Nikman and I'm 23 years old from Indore and I'm a DJ. I play all sorts of music because I personally feel that there is a lot of good music in every genre. There are many good artists, but the ones which I am truly inspired by are Carl Cox, Steve Angelo, Avicii and Rebuke. My experience with the New Sound contest has been awesome because in season 4 I was the runner up there, so that inspired me to contest again in the competition and now I finally won. So I'm thankful for the New Sound team for that, and it's an awesome opportunity for every DJ to showcase their actual talent and the music they love to play. Music for me is a way of showing our emotions. As the saying goes, when words fail, music speaks.